Alright, I want to show you the Bible and Story app. We have the days of the year here, each matched with Bible readings that match the Revised Common Lectionary. You can click on that and you have the verses pasted in here. You can go to the scriptures in context, which when you click it, it takes you right to the Bible Gateway. And you can also listen to the scripture. It'll take you to the listening page of Bible Gateway. And it'll read through the different scriptures from there. Then, if we go back, we have creative media that goes along with the themes of the verses. So here's a piece of artwork, but you can go see more of the artwork by pushing that creative media tab. And we have videos. These are animations that have a story. Here's the story pasted here. You can expand it out, and it's actually just an excerpt, but if you click this, it'll take you to the web page that has the story itself. So back to here. Then we have songs that I've found on YouTube that match the psalm for the day. So for Psalm 80, this is a Bible verse, a song that goes with Psalm 80, so that you can sing along to the psalm of the day. Then we also have other features like a faith story. These are stories of people that have an interesting faith that can help build our own faith if you're kind of a skeptic like me. And then we also have this part that is several lessons from a lecture to help you find your mission. So then the next section is study tools. This includes sketch notes, which you can see are visual notes of a sermon based on a scripture that lines up with one of the scriptures of today. Then we have several Bible Project videos that explain the background and patterns and meanings of the different Bible books that we're reading today. And then we have links to Bema podcasts that coordinate with the scriptures. Bema is a really interesting podcast that goes through the Bible from a ancient Hebrew perspective and really analyzes the book of the Bible and the chapters and the verses in a really Hebraic way, Eastern type of thinking versus our Western sort of type of thinking. Okay, then for contemplation, we have a tab that reminds us how to do the Lectio Divina, how to read with Lectio Divina in mind. We have a breath prayer practice. We have the Lord's Prayer right here. And then we have a prayer of examine that helps us examine how we are doing in life in regards to our spiritual walk. And then we have a journal, which is a private journal which will keep track of your journaling to God throughout the different days. They will all be stored in this note that will be the same note every single day. It'll be a running log of your journals. And let's go down to the bottom right corner, the tab with prayers. These are prayers from the Book of Common Prayer, and I've matched an illustration up with each. You can click the illustration and it'll make it bigger. But you can also type in what you're worried about, like anxiety, and the Book of Common Prayer prayers that deal with anxiety will pop up. Alright, now we also have the About page, which you can go to, and it'll tell you how to install the app and how to use the app. You can also sign in so that it will recognize you and be able to keep your journal readings private to you. And there's a way to share the app using this QR code, or you can copy this link right here. Alright, and then this tab down in the middle, this is the one that will be the default once it's entirely loaded up with all of the content. This takes you to today, so that you don't have to scroll to today. You just click through, and you can read the readings from today and the media that is stacked into today's reading category. There you go. This is the Bible reading app, Bible plus Art app it's called, and it is my attempt to help us be intrigued with multimedia forms of messaging to help make us interested and intrigued in the scriptures for each day.